Today we're going to be servicing our pool filters, cleaning them, taking them out. The first thing we're going to do to get this started is the Pentair system. We're going to be taking and just hit the start stop button, turn the pump off. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is clean this basket out. Sometimes this thing gets a little stuck, so I just have to give it a tap. And it'll pop open. You can see the air going in it. See what kind of goodness we got in here. Dump it out. Now, when you put your basket back in after you got it cleaned out, you gotta get it perfect. There's a little hole that you want to make sure you line up. It just slides right in. Then you put your cap back on and tighten it all back up. Next step of this, we're going to go and let the pressure off of this. It may squirt me, so if it does, oh well. Let the pressure off of that by twisting that. You can hear the air coming out of it. And then there's a large bolt back here. I just got an adjustable wrench because I did not have the size of socket to be able to do it with. Oops. Oh, so you put it on the right way. And I'm not going to make you watch all this, but you just take it all the way off, and then this whole black bracket will come off. And once you get it loose, almost there, got a lot of threads on this thing. Okay, it pretty much all falls off. And then you can take your top off. I'm going to lay all my parts down here where I don't lose them. We're going to take this upper lid off. Now, you can see, let me set this over to the side. You can see our filters are fairly dirty. We're going to remove this little piece right here. And this right here, you can see is pretty gummed up, so I'm going to make sure I wash it off. Everything else looks pretty good, but we're going to take all these filters out, and all you do is just lift them up one at a time, and take them over there and just hose them off until they turn white, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now, these are all 4 of your filters. The next thing you're going to do is just take and hold them and spray them off with a hose, and I'll show you the difference. You can see they're pretty dirty, all except for this one. So we'll get them cleaned up and show you the difference in just a second. Now, if we sprayed them all down real good, you can see just how clean they came. And really, these are brand new filters, so they should come clean. But you can see around our pool right now, we've still got a lot of sod to be put in and that kind of thing. That's coming next week, and we'll get all that done. And hopefully we won't get them so dirty going forward. We'll have to maybe not wash them out quite as often. If we can go put them back in, I'll show you how to do that. Now you can see our water is really dirty. It's super clean in the pool, but we're trying to prevent this from going there. So we're gonna take these, and in the end of these filters, there's a hole, and that just matches up with the little black piece that's right down there, and they just sit right on top. One, grab another one. You'll be able to feel it kind of sit down on each one. Let's find the fourth one. And you may have to turn that to where it fits just right. Yeah, that would have never went on there. There's a thing you reach down and just turn. And then you'll have room to put your filter in. There. Now, while you're in here, you may want to check your seal out. Of course, it's all brand new equipment, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. Then you'll take and put this piece back on. Make sure it's in there. And there's one other little filter piece. And it just sticks right down in there. Just like that, hopefully. Make sure all those, then we'll put our cap back on and put our ring back around it, tighten it up, and we'll be ready to test it. I want to make one correction. Now this actually goes on first and sticks on that white tube. Make sure it's on there good, not bent. And then this will go on after that. Then we'll put our lid back on and seal everything up. Now the hardest part of this whole job, if you're trying to do it by yourself with one set of hands, is getting this back together. Make sure you got your washer and then your spring washer and your nut. All this comes as one piece except for this washer, but get this threaded back through here and then put the nut on and start tightening it up. You can tighten it a long ways with your hand. Then you just want to snug it up with an adjustable wrench once it gets tight. Then after that, we'll show you the last step. Now, when you think you got it tight enough, it should just snug up. There's one thing you don't want to forget is make sure you close this, because if not, it's going to spray water out there. So make sure we close that. Then we're going to come over here, just double check a few things. Make sure this is clean and on good. We made sure that was tight. Then we're just going to hit the start stop button and make sure we don't have any leaks. Just got to reprime real quick. Now you can see it's starting to get primed. Once all the air bubbles come out of this, I'm not sure if you can see through there, but we are getting flow into the pool. And then we just want to make sure no leaks anywhere. Double check over here. I don't see any leaks. Nothing up top. Everything looks good so far. I think that'll do it. That's how you clean your filters. Make sure to like and subscribe. Again, I'm first time learning all this. I had a pool years ago, but this is not difficult for anybody to do. I'm sure I made a few mistakes, so feel free to correct me on them.